Hello YouTube. Right, this is just a quick tutorial on how to make a crimp joint. This is a 1.5mm CSA cable. Excuse the mess, take our strippers. These are some nice funky auto strippers, very handy. Adjust your cable guide to strip off the correct amount. We want about that much, and operate, and hey presto, got a nice joint, strip cable, and we take the correct size crimp for the specific cable. This is a 1.5 cable, so therefore a red insulated crimp. Push it on there, wiggle it about a little bit if you have to, push it on, and I've cut that a teeny bit long, but it's not the end of the world. In fact, yes it is. I'm going to cut that back. So using our really nice flush fit, flush cut cutters, just trim it back, stick it in there, wiggle it about, and it's just sticking through there, so it's a little bit out of focus, and take our crimper. This is a Pressman for the red, blue and yellow crimps, 1.5, 2.5 and 6mm CSA. These are very good. They're not cheap. I think they're around 50 quid mark. But the advantage of using this type is you always apply the correct amount of torque. So take it, lay it in the groove, position your crimp, make sure your cable is pushed in as far as it'll go. Just give it a little wiggle to position it properly, hold tight and apply the crimp. Hey presto, we have a really nice crimp. It's done, and this one even imprints in the size of the cable, 1.5mm. Now, just to make a point as to how good this crimp is, I am going to try to tug on this and pull it out. We have a pair of pliers, and I'm going to grab it, and I am going to pull. That is not going out of there. Lovely. So just to recap, use the right stuff, use the right tools. Correct crimper, 50 quid. Side cutters, these are from RS, they're about 12 quid. Auto strippers, you can get these are manufactured by a company called CK. They're not a lot of money, you can get them on eBay or AliExpress, Amazon for about 12 or 13 quid. And most importantly, make sure you use the correct crimp for the correct cable. That's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Do what YouTube people always say, you know, apply and subscribe and all that stuff. Okay, thank you. Hope you enjoyed it and learned something.